Hi folks, welcome to the lesson. We're going to be finding the surface area of a cylinder. So without further ado, let's crack on and get the job done. Know what happens when the cylinder unfolds. It's got two circles, and note the circumference of the circle opening out to form the side of the rectangle. And the side of the rectangle folds back to form the circumference of the circle, and that rectangle folds round to form the curved surface area of the cylinder. And it opens up again. Watch the red rectangle opening up, so the curved surface area is actually a rectangle. So we can see that the curved surface area and the two circles form the surface area of the cylinder. So, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Let's see. What is that length of the rectangle? Let's fold the rectangle up and see. When we fold it up, we can see that side is actually the height of the cylinder. We have one of the sides, h. What about the other side? What is that length? As mentioned, the circumference of the circle opens up to form that length. Watch again as the circumference forms that length. Now the diameter of the circle is d, so the circumference of the circle is pi times d, and that must be that length of the rectangle. The area of one of the circles is pi r squared. The area of the second circle must be pi r squared, which now leaves what is the area of the rectangle? Well, we have both lengths, and it is just a rectangle. So its area is pi times d times h. Or if we replace d with twice the radius, 2r, that area becomes 2 pi rh. So we can recap the surface area of a cylinder as follows. The surface area is made up of a rectangle and two circles. The circles are the base and the lid, and the rectangle is the curved surface area. The area of each circle is pi r squared. The area of the rectangle is 2 pi rh. Therefore, the total surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. Now that we have our formula, let's use it. Here's an example. H, the height, is 8 centimeters, and we've been given not the radius but the diameter of 6 centimeters. That means the radius is 3 centimeters. So using the total surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, we substitute r is 3 and h equals 8 into the formula. Note when we are using 2 pi r squared, we square r first. That's why I've put 3 in brackets. 3 squared is 9, times by 2 pi, that's 18 pi. And for the curved surface area, 2 pi times 3 times 8 is 48 pi. Altogether, we have a total of 66 pi. 66 times by pi is 207.345, which we can round off to 3 significant figures. And if there's anything about the video you haven't understood, just watch it back. And if you have, that's great, because that's the job done.